Good evening. The jury reached a verdict after about 4.5 hours of deliberations. And after that verdict came in, Vanessa Bryant wept as she was awarded $16 million. At the federal courthouse Wednesday, Vanessa Bryant and her daughter Natalia walked hand in hand following a victorious verdict. A jury ordered LA County to pay $31 million in damages to Vanessa Bryant and her co-plaintiff Chris Chester, who lost his wife and daughter in the 2020 helicopter crash. Following the verdict, Bryant wept and gave her attorney a long hug, later posting a photo of herself with Kobe and her daughter, Gianna, with the caption, "All for you. I love you. Justice for Kobe and Gigi." Legal analyst Lou Shapiro weighs in.
Well, I don't think it came as a surprise that the jury verdict came in her favor, in the other victim's favor. It's more of the amount. The amount was substantial.
$16 million for Bryant and $15 million for Chester. The millions covering past pain and suffering and future emotional damage too. The jury also finding the LA County Sheriff's Department liable for its believed practice of routinely sharing grisly photos taken at accident or crime scenes. Harvey Levin says the act itself is appalling.
There doesn't seem to be a whole lot of accountability within the Sheriff's Department in terms of what happened to the officers. I think a lot of people are very upset just about the cruelty of it and also the culture that apparently this ain't the first rodeo here, that this has happened at other death scenes.
The county hasn't disputed photos were shared with some deputies and firefighters, but defense attorneys say all images were destroyed and no longer exist in any form. Still, Bryant and Chester argued the photos could surface somehow someday, and the jury ultimately sided with them, granting Bryant and Chester the win and setting a precedent.
This verdict sends a message to law enforcement and the fire department that they will be held to the highest level of professionalism, and that anything short of that, any negligence, any showing of insensitivity will not be tolerated.
All of the victims' families from the 2020 crash also reached a settlement with the helicopter company, but that information is all confidential at this point. Reporting live this evening, I'm Coco McAvoy, Fox 11 News.
Coco, thank you.